Today I'm going to show you how to make this really nice pinky purple wholesome smoothie. We're going to be using blueberries, raspberries, natural yogurt, cucumber, bananas, flaxseed and porridge oats. We're going to start by pouring some apple juice into the blender. I'm pouring in a good few glugs, and I'm also adding a glass of water. Now it's time to start adding fruit. I added about 4 handfuls full of blueberries, a good handful of raspberries, 1 banana, 2 banana, and half a cucumber. You can see the blender is looking nicely stuffed, so it's time to put the lid on and give it a blend. You get this amazing explosion of colour from the pink raspberries and the deep blue blueberries. It all starts blending together into this pinky purple colour. When it's done, take it off and remove the lid. Then I'm adding half a tub of low-fat natural yogurt. And to make it nice and wholesome, I'm topping it up with porridge oats. And finally, I'm adding 4 heaped tablespoons of these nice milled organic flax seeds. This is nice and high in omega-3 and it's said to be very good for you. I mixed it all in a bit with a spoon. Then put the lid back on and gave it a final blend. The yogurt and oats have made it go a lot lighter in colour. And when it's done, you can remove the lid and it's ready to serve. This is a nice, thick, healthy smoothie, which I really like for breakfast. If I stand it alongside the other smoothies I made, you can see the amazing difference in colours. And if you really wanted to, you could even put all 3 together in the same glass. Pretty cool, huh? I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see how I made these other smoothies, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.